In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at how we can manage mailbox calendar permissions. Currently logged in is a user called Beth. What Beth wants to do is Beth wants to be able to share her calendar with a user called Adam. First things first, let's just create within our calendar view, let's just create a new meeting. So we're just going to call this one test meeting. And then what we're going to do is I'm fairly happy with the times and not going to bother adding in any additional information, and we'll just select save. So we now have a meeting in place. So now what Beth wants to be able to do is Beth wants to be able to share limited information relating to the meeting with a user called Adam. So we're just going to come to our calendar, and we're going to right click and we're going to come to sharing permissions. And within sharing permissions, we're just going to share with a user called Adam. And the user is Adam Hobbs, so Adam Hobbs will pop up soon. What we've got here is we've got full details. So if we have sharing permissions of full details, that basically means that Adam can see everything. All I want Adam to be able to see really is date and time. So what we'll do is we'll change this, and we'll change this to our limited details. And then what we'll do is we'll just send through this request. Once that's sent through, Adam will now receive an email. So what we'll do is, now we're 100% happy that's been sent, let's just open up Adam's mailbox. So now we're logged in as Adam. What we can see is Beth Berg, I'd like to share my calendar with you. So we'll click on the email. We'll accept the email. Takes us into the calendar view automatically. And then what we should see in the calendar view is we should see other calendars, and we should see Beth Berg. So now let's just double click on that meeting. And as you can see, with limited details, all Adam can see is the date and the information relating to the meeting title. So Beth and Adam both know that that sharing has been sent up, but we as Exchange administrators, we'd also like information relating to that as well. So we do have some Windows PowerShell commandlets or Microsoft Exchange Shell commandlets that will also allow us to manage calendar settings. So what we'll do is we'll just move over to our Exchange server. And the first command I'm going to run here is my get-mailbox folder permission, then -identity and beth@datum.com. So we want to know permissions for calendar for beth@datum.com, and we're interested in the calendar permissions. And as we can see, what we can see within here is Adam Hobbs has limited details. What we can also do as well within the Exchange Management Shell is we also have the ability to manage the permissions. So all we're going to do at this point here is let's just clear the screen off. Just make it a little bit easier to read. And then what we'll do is we're going to remove the permissions. And we're going to do this by doing a remove -mailbox folder permission, -identity, then beth@datum.com, /calendar, then space, -user, adam@datum.com. And what we'll do at this point here is we will say yes. And that will now remove Adam's permissions. Not only can we remove permissions, we also have the ability as well to add permissions, and we can do that with another PowerShell commandlet. And we're going to do that by add -mailbox folder permission, space -identity, then we're going to do that for beth@datum.com, and then we're going to do this for the calendar with the /calendar, and for user adam@datum.com, we are going to give Adam -access rights of owner. So near enough, Adam can do whatever he wants. He becomes the owner of the calendar. So as we can now see, calendar, Adam Hobbs, and he is now the owner. And that's the end of this very quick demonstration of having a look at managing calendar permissions with Microsoft Exchange Server 2019. Thank you.